If you suspect that your Steam account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Visit the Steam support website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Select I can't access my account. On the Steam support page, look for the option that states I can't access my account. Click on it to proceed to the next step in the recovery process. Step 3. Identify your account. You will need to provide information to identify your account. Enter your account name, email address, or phone number associated with your Steam account. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 4. Follow recovery instructions. Once your account is identified, follow the instructions provided by Steam. This may include receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code to confirm your identity and proceed with the recovery. Step 5. Change your password and enable two-factor authentication. After regaining access to your account, immediately change your password to something strong and unique. Additionally, enable Steam Guard, which is Steam's two-factor authentication feature, to add an extra layer of security to your account. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Steam account and protect it from future unauthorized access. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.